I've been sailing on the ocean a long, long time. I've seen the shores of many lands.
Let's see if I can find something.
Rolex Oyster. It's rusty, not in good condition. Hopefully, I will make some money with this.
Bringing this Rolex back to life wasn't easy, especially with all saltwater damage, but after a complete teardown and polishing every single part, this piece is ticking perfectly again. Let me know in the comments what you think of this transformation.
Time is not merely captured, it is lived. Rolex.